Oh guys, so kanina nagtatrabaho ako sa computer pero nag-fluctuate yung kuryente. So buti na lang na-save ko yung files ko. Power went out and yung ginagawa ko, na-export ko naman yung files ko. But I'm taking some time before ako bumalik dun sa computer. Kasi baka mag-fluctuate lang uli. So sabi ko might as well drawing na lang muna. While waiting for the electricity to stabilize, I guess. Yung problem sa amin yun na lang. Buti nga na save ko na yung file ko kanina sa Clip Studio. So yeah. So I noticed na yung sketches ko recently were gaining some traction. So, and a lot of yung mga followers ko, friends ko were, I guess, wanted to see more. Parang ginagawang tutorial yata. May dito. May kotse sa labas. Hindi. I think it's a chopper outside. Or a UFO. Hindi ko alam kung UFO yun. Sorry guys kung parang may bumababang flying saucer dito sa what? Talaga sinabayan pa yung recording ko. Anyway, yeah. Well, thank you for thank you for continuing to like yung stuff ko, following me on social media. Parang may iba may mga nagfa-follow na bago recently, I guess through yung mga sketches ko. Well, this is how I sketch it, I guess, para meron kayong hindi lang static pictures. So malaman nyo rin yung process how I actually do things. Ayan, tahimik na. So just lines are very light, very loose. Yung parang siguro minsan kasi pag masyadong update tayo simula pa lang, parang kung masyadong marami ka nang iniisip sa sketch part pa lang, you tend to be, especially ako na OOC kasi ako, mahilig kasi sa detalye. So minsan you spend too much time on something, you miss yung point ng sketching, which is when you sketch kailangan mabilisan lang talaga. You don't really, it's not really just parang final product na yung ginagawa mo. It's more of, I guess you want to see how everything looks like, without really nitpicking. Let's say kailangan yung mata perfect. No, if you're sketching, it's really like nagmamadali ka. It's like you're really just hacking away at yung artwork mo and don't pay too much attention on small details, like maybe anatomy is not perfect pero nandun yung general idea of what you want, how you want it to look like, especially if it's a scene let's say merong bahay somewhere and it's, yep, I broke a lid. Happens to me most of the time. Too heavy-handed sa pencil. And so, like I was saying, it's a sketch, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to see. It's in short, parang it just has to be readable, especially by you. So this is just a side view. Side view is easy kasi just thinking about just one side ng artwork. Parang sa daya. It's cheating kasi you're just drawing one side. Pero some people think yung side view is more challenging than yung straight view. Depends, I guess. So here, actually I have no direction kung ano gusto kong drawing right now. Just sabi ko nga sa mga posts ko, just practice. Some people were asking me nga pala, am I going to make a compilation of these sketches na ginagawa ko? You know, I was thinking about it na maybe if there was a big demand for it, art book. Parang siyang art book na. I guess that's what they wanted. Tagal ko na naisip yun, guys, na gumawa ng art book. Mahirap lang kasi siguro yung time needed to compile stuff. I have a bunch of sketches, unorganized. Lalagay ko lang sa portfolio, whichever portfolio is handy at the moment. So it's not, sometimes I label it, sometimes not. That's how much time that I have every day. In fact, I'm doing this video right now kasi maybe I'm just maybe nagdadahilan lang ako na kasi nga napa-fluctuate yung kuryente kanina, so sabi ko, instead of turning the computer back on immediately, kasi hindi naman talaga siya nawala lang siya for I don't know, maybe split second, nawala lang siya. Pero mahirap kasi dyan, minsan i-on ko yung computer tapos ganun pa rin, parang magpa-fluctuate ulit, tapos it will just frustrate me kung nasa gitna ako ng trabaho tapos maputol na naman yung ginagawa ko. Okay, so my idea here is kamay niya, dito yung tuhod niya, I guess. So the drawing ko yung knee right here, and I guess maybe I can draw yung legs too. Now the idea is parang connect the dots, like, okay, so I want this, pero how does the hip look like? Okay, like the way I think about it, and this may be cheating on my part then, is I ito na yung tuhod. I know I can do this. I know humanly possible itong pose na to, right? So I draw yung eye right here. So nakaupo siya. So this is a bit flat. I mean, you don't really draw the ass na rounded when you're sitting down. You're on a flat surface. Kasi on the thighs, probably here, and then your body connects right there, right? And I guess that's how I do it. That's how I cheat the pose. Sometimes people think, they think too much about how do you do that? And I don't know kung anong mathematical equation na yung pag-iisipan mo just to think about how to do this pose. That's how I cheat. So next is maybe let's give her some shorts. So makita naman yung legs. And I don't know, what is she wearing? Should she be barefoot? Or should she be wearing some shoes? Let's see. Hope it's still on cam. Let's move it a bit too. There. Oh, I am reaching the edge ng paper now, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. This feels ito yung heel. The feet is not completely flat. Guess I'll do it this way. And this one would be flat on the floor, I guess. Okay, so no shoes for this girl. And somehow, looks weird na parang, hey, why are you so big? No? Oh, that's just my mind playing tricks. Having fun. Drawing is having fun. At least until you're frustrated with what you're doing. Sana hindi kayo naka-frustrate pag nagda-drawing kayo. The Mickey Moto eyes. By the way, it's a Sunday. It's a Sunday today. Here in the Philippines, in my part of the world, here in Rizal. Just holler kung taga Rizal kayo. Am I even gonna upload this pa? I should. That's sayang mga pinagsasabi ko kanina. If I don't upload this. But I hope you guys are having a good weekend. I was contemplating on making this a live stream, pero I don't know. Pag live stream kasi there's a limited audience. Hindi naman ako nag-announce. So if I just put this on live stream, parang okay, so only those guys na nandoon sa platform at the moment will see me. I guess those who follow my YouTube channel will find me, and will be like, I don't know, 2 guys, the usual just walked right in there, and I was curious what you were doing. Person added to the mix. Yung minsan nag-live stream ko, may remember, it was with Dead Skin and forgot who else was there. Si Spoon ba nandun? And then meron tong foreigner who just walked in there sa live stream. And we were speaking in Tagalog kasi, and then suddenly, naku, kailangan mag-English na. Regardless, we welcomed him sa live. We're all good guys there naman. So yeah, he is free to stay, free to watch whatever I was doing. I forgot what I was doing. Definitely drawing. Question sa mga ganito, no? Sir, paano niyo po nagkagawa yung mga folds na yan? Ano po ba yun? May formula ba dyan? May mathematical equation pang kailangan ma-memorize para magawa ko yung ganyan? Well, like, I don't know. Minsan tinatanong ko rin sarili ko, maybe I'm a good artist, but doesn't mean that I can be a good teacher. Sometimes I ask myself, I can't teach properly how to do it kasi it comes almost instinctively sa akin. How I do these things. So, or mahina lang talaga ako magturo. So, I'm not really doing things like, I know na, let's say, the shoulder part, laging patak yan, right? Dahil, nandiyan na shoulder, and shoulder here is slightly tilted up. Okay? So, definitely, this is stretched out. The rest kasi, this is a loose sweater, so everything is just, bunched up. Kaya itong mga folds dito, parang everything's bunched up there. I don't know. I'll just go back to that part. I don't know if I can teach what I'm really doing. I can only offer you guys examples. Like, you ask me, sir, paano niyo po ginagawa? I'll tell you how I do things. I can tell you that. Although if you ask me yung intricacies, yung details of like what do you follow, is there a rule against this, against that? I don't know. Usually I'm drawing a blank. Dahil yun na almost instinct lang yun. Gumagana sa akin. Sorry guys. Sometimes I really can't. It's not that I don't want to share yung techniques. I really do. I mean, kung magle-level up tayong lahat, like every Filipino artist levels up, parang wouldn't that be nice? Like, wouldn't yung industry natin be, yung comic book art industry natin, wouldn't it be nice if everyone leveled up? We can all fight AI. Parang ganun, no? Baka merong nanonood nito na pro AI. No? AI could be a good thing. There are times na tempted ako. In fact, there are times that I tried na gumawa ng reference image using AI. Pero just a reference image. I don't use the actual generated image. And I think that's the use, for me at least, ng AI. I don't want it to generate artwork and say, oh yeah, na-drawing ko, ha? Yeah. No, that would be foolish. Again, if you like AI, nothing against you, but please huwag niyo sisiraan yung mga actual artists na they're really trying their best learning their craft. I mean, AI for me is a tool. It's not something that I should rely on, kasi if I do that, then parang what's the use of trying to hone my skills? Eventually I'll just rely on prompts. So, well, that's my take on it. I'm not completely against it. Siguro yung maybe it's just yung attitude ng AI users na they think na ingit lang kayo kasi kami, we can do your job at fraction of a time that you need to. Let's say this one, you can, how many minutes am I in here? Like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and I just finished what? 2 figures. AI, boom, 1 second. Don't know, maybe not 1 second. 1 minute, maybe it can generate like 10 more of these. So, yeah. So, I don't know, maybe sana meron pa akong free time next time, guys, para I can do more of these videos for you. Kasi Kuya Memar nagsasalita na sa mga videos dati puro music lang. Yep. So you know that I'm a human being and not a machine. So that's why I'm doing this. Kasi marami na rin. Sometimes it's scary. You don't know if a photo or video is real na. So you can tell it's not good na. Admittedly, it's not good na. But it's scary at the same time when you think na, hey, you can just take a picture of anyone, tapos you can make a video of that person, tapos maybe kung may malicious intent ka, parang wow, nakakatakot yun. Anyone can destroy your career in a minute. So, what am I drawing? Nothing in particular. Nothing in particular. Just stuff that maybe I've seen somewhere and then I said, wait, gusto ko subukan yan. Like this one, nakita ko tong costume na sa reel or something. I don't know, maybe cosplayer or ano. May mga nagti-tiktok lang. Okay, sabi ko, hey, that's nice. Kinda reminds me of, sino ba yung SNK, si King pa yan. Pero alam ko meron yung sleeveless na ganito eh. I don't know, Street Fighter ba yan? I don't really play much games recently then. I would love to. I have a lot of games. Parang hoarder lang ako ng games, pero I don't get to play much of them. So guys, if you have free time, if you're that part na parang you still have time to enjoy, habang di pa nagpipick up yung work, pick up yung work. Don't worry, it will come. It will arrive soon. Pero when that happens, you have to be ready for it. So when that work picks up, you should pay attention to it. You should devote your time to it, especially kung pamilyado ka wala nang masyadong time for anything else. Hopefully you still have time for your family, of course. Don't forget your family. This could get hairy. This could get really hairy, really fast. Don't forget the people you love. Kung nag-work ka for your family, that's one way of forgetting sila. So, sorry if I'm sniffing a lot, guys. You have to take the fan, turn the fan off. Medyo mainit dito, and usually windy dito sa area namin. But we're in a very, very high place. We're literally on a mountain. Usually mahangin dito, pero ngayon hindi na. Dati parang, I think I should be thankful dahil tuwing gabi it's still parang naka-aircon kami dito tuwing gabi. Let's give her some gloves. Fingerless gloves. Accessories like, I don't know, bracelet. Let's accessorize. So, after this, I guess I'll be stopping the video, guys. I don't want to take a lot of your time. Baka ano lang to. Maybe you just watch it in your free time. Maybe it's too long for you guys. But if you have any questions, you have anything that you want me to tackle, maybe it's the next video. I don't know when I'll be able to find some time to sketch like this and make videos. But if you have something maybe you want me to tackle in future videos, something that you're having trouble with, baka maybe I can demonstrate that for you. So if it helps you sa drawing exercises nyo, just let me know. Hopefully I can answer your question. If I can't answer your question, I'm not an expert. I don't consider myself an expert. I'm still learning. Saying that you know everything you need is actually the wrong idea. For me personally, I guess. I don't say na okay na yung I've learned enough, this is enough, stop na kayo. That's when you stagnate kasi confident na kayo eh. So anyway, okay, so it's not centered. Anyway, I just want to center the whole piece of paper so I can draw anywhere and hindi naman naka-crop off the video. So anyway guys, if you watch this video, do I say the usual things? Like, subscribe, click that notification button. I don't know, if you appreciate what I do, please show some love. Yun lang siguro. And see you again next time. If I don't know when next time will be, guys, but I will try my best to do some more videos like this. I know I taught only a small portion of yung drawing technique here, but I hope that this somehow helps you visually see how I work. So it's not just static pictures, it's something you can see me from start to finish. That's what I wanted to show here, and that's what I want to show in other videos that I plan to do in the future, hopefully sometime soon. So anyway, guys, I won't take too much of your time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe na lang if you want to subscribe. Follow me on my socials. I'm Facebook, Instagram, ArtStation, DeviantArt. Anybody still in DeviantArt, please follow me. IQ40 on DeviantArt. So anyway, thanks guys.